Chef Andy again. He's gonna make a special dish, something with our favorite ingredient, right? Your favorite ingredient here. What do you say?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon ingredient. We're gonna get some type of eel. I see them up there swimming already. Let's go and take a look. So this is the yellow eel. That's one we made before, but the one up there, you see it? Yeah, that's the one. It's a white eel. It's kind of like a self-service. So Chef Andy gonna... I see the live one already. This one is live. That one. Oh yeah, self-service. Oh my God. Gotta be careful. Oh, that's super live. Oh, nice. Oh, no. Hiro, come on, help, Hiro. You have a hand, Hiro. Quick, get it, come on. Come on, get it, come on. This guy coming. Okay, gracias. Hiro-san, great job. We're gonna have to... Yeah. Ice is gonna put it to sleep, right, Chef?
Yep.
Okay, just got back to the studio with Hiro-san, Chef Andy, and here we have the eel. It's still very much alive. We got a bag of ice on it. It's been on ice for about 10-15 minutes. We're trying to put it to sleep. Hopefully that works, but we are ready. Chef Andy's gonna make a really nice kind of traditional Japanese recipe with his eel. Coming up. Hello, we are back to the studio. Of course, special guest, Chef Andy from Sushi Chef Institute. Of course, we have to give him a well-deserved plug. Sushi Chef Institute, where you can learn to be a sushi chef in 2 months. Check out his website, all the information down below. We are again so fortunate to be invited to the new Stadendam from Holland, America. And Chef Andy is one of the culinary council, right? You're part of one of the chefs. Mm-hmm. If you're lucky enough to go on one of these beautiful cruises, let me tell you, the food is phenomenal in Holland, America. What they're best known for.
Right.
Top notch. If you haven't seen what the ship looks like, this is kind of an inside view, but take a look at our other videos. You'll really enjoy it. So thank you again so much for inviting us.
Sure.
We have a very special recipe today.
Yes.
Hiro-san, your favorite.
Yes. Another good afternoon.
Another good afternoon. Okay, we bought this eel, as you saw earlier. This is a white eel. And we've had this ice sitting on the eel for about, I would say about 30 minutes so far, right? And hopefully it's gone to sleep, Chef Andy?
Yeah.
Okay.
So now we have actually this one live one, and we just do sleeping now. So still moving in here.
Yeah.
Oop. Keep an eye, Bo.
So it's got a lot of, what is this white stuff on it? This is the slime, right?
Sliminess, yeah.
Okay, let's take a look at that. So what's the best way?
Still moving a lot here. The sliminess out.
Okay.
はい、すみません。Okay.
Now, some people use salt to rub on it. Do you use salt as well, or just the hot water?
Just the hot water to sliming this out right now.
Okay.
This is a problem is yellow liquid.
Yeah, what is a yellow liquid?
Pancreas, what are they called? The liver.
Oh, pancreas?
Yeah, pancreas. It's
Okay.
inside the liquid.
I
Those
see.
one we need to take it out. The very strong bitterness in here.
Okay.
Okay. Put that.
Okay, some sake in there. But look at this brand. Hiro brand.
Yes.
Hiro, is this your sake?
I wish.
You wish. Hiro, would you be still making YouTube videos if it's your brand of sake? Of course, right?
Nikiri. It's called Nikiri. We fire out alcohols out.
To try and burn out the alcohol, right?
Right.
Okay.
Only the sweetness. Careful.
How do you know when it's done burning off?
It's only the 16% alcohol they're burning out.
Okay. Oh, flame
Big
coming up.
fire. It's very nice to very nice to The fire. Can you see that?
Okay,
Big
see, I see
fire.
it. See, wow. Still burning, pretty hot.
Should be done quick.
So right there is the pretty much the bones from the eel.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Then we don't boil it anymore. We do slow cooking
Okay.
by about 2 hours.
About 2 hours here.
Now we have already simmer eel and 2 hours, and I pick up just eel and just a little cool down. And this one is eel stock. We cook in the eel and we reduce it in almost thicker condition. We're making a homemade eel sauce. And this one is only the stock as it is. And we do sugar. We do that. And we do soy. Tamari. And we do soy combination. Here. Low heat. Kind of a little simmer, it should be good.
Mm-hmm.
So final stages, I have eels, very soft, very tender. Maybe we do 3-piece. I like a little burning, so we do a little bit of torch it. Taste should be tasting it. I still need a little more. Sweet size. Okay, so come on over first. One more time, heat up. So we do Unagi Donburi. And we have nori. Okay. We have unagi on top. Okay. And we typically do a sansho powder for the Japanese.
What kind of powder is that?
Sansho powder.
And what's it taste like?
Tastes like it's like a Japanese herb taste just comes in.
Okay.
It's dry hand. This should go.
Wow, take a look at this. One of my favorite things to order in a restaurant, the Eel Donburi.
Yeah, it's good. Another one.
My son loves to order this. One of his favorite things. And Hiro-san, looks amazing, huh?
Yeah.
Take a look. Can't wait to try this. Chef Andy, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. This is eel from a fresh one. It's a live one. We cook it, steam in 2 hours, and now it's sauce making, homemade, and donburi comes in.
Can't wait to try it. If you guys like this video at home, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share it, don't forget to subscribe. And again, Chef Andy's Sushi Chef Institute School information is down below and also in the description box.
Sure.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
See you soon. Okay, we got a head start on the on the tasting part because it was too good, right?
Yeah.
Carl, how's it?
And it's craziness good. It's
Right.
so fresh. Even having a hard time picking it up with the chopsticks. It's falling apart.
Right. So Carl's actually was a previous student of Chef Andy, and that was back a while ago. He was always a captain. He's still a captain now. The information is down below. You see it, Therapy 4.
Therapy 4.
Follow him if you guys want an amazing charter fish. He's going to be taking us out fishing.
Yes.
And catch some amazing fish. Chef Andy, thank you so much again for bringing this recipe. Take a look, guys. Can you guys see this? Amazing. Hiro-san, did you eat?
Yes.
How's it?
Very, very soft.
Soft, right? Nothing like that yellow eel that we tried, right?
Yeah,
Very, very
because we
different.
didn't actually do the process for the simmering.
Right. Simmering for
Made a big difference.
Right.
Yeah.
for 2 hours, it really softens it up.
You can't pick it up by chopsticks. It's very falling apart.
Right.
So
Yeah.
It's very soft. They're supposed to be that way. So, yeah, it's good.
What a delicious meal. Thank you so much. Again, Chef Andy, a pleasure seeing you. Thank you so much for amazing time on the Holland America. We had a great time.
Great. Yeah.
Yeah, you can see this gentleman. He's part of the Culinary Council. If you're aboard the Holland America, you'll see his name come up. He was a featured chef on the last trip we went to. Chef Andy and Chef Hiro did a great collab. Again, thank you so much. Take the Holland America, and you'll be seeing him soon.
Yeah.
And especially Nami Sushi, that's your sushi
Yeah, my
brand.
baby.
Yes, amazing. So much good food. All right, gentlemen, next time we'll see you.